In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to your bank account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, if you have an account here in Coinbase, all you're gonna do is log in using your credentials. And if you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect time to create your cryptocurrency portfolio today. Alright? And once you have done that, log in using your credentials. So there's multiple ways for you to cash out your balance or send your Bitcoin from Coinbase to another bank account. Right? So there's like the faster payments transfer, instant card cash out, PayPal, and SEPA, right? Now for the browsers, all you're gonna do is sign into your Coinbase account, select My Assets in the navigation bar, select next to your currency and choose cash out, alright? It's the same thing for your mobile app, right here. Now, if you're using the instant card cash out, all I'm gonna do is use the browser, select My Assets in the navigation bar, select your local currency, and choose cash out. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next video.